Hi there, meet the T-Fal Secure Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker, a 6.3-quart powerhouse that cooks meals up to twice as fast. This pressure cooker features a 5-point security system with an audible click to ensure safe locking and sealing every time. Made from durable stainless steel, it offers even heat distribution while resisting rust and corrosion for long-lasting use. With 2 simple cooking settings, you can preserve up to 80% of your veggies' vitamin C and keep meats juicy and tender. It includes a steam basket to expand your cooking options and fits all cooktops, including induction. Cleanup is easy thanks to its dishwasher-safe body, making cooking and cleaning hassle-free. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.